Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told if 2x plus 8 is equal to 16, what is the value of x plus 4? So the first thing we're going to do is we have to realize that there are two ways to solve this equation, or to solve this problem. The first way is the more straightforward way that takes longer, so that's what I'm going to do first. So we have 2x plus 8 is equal to 16. So we just have to solve for x. So you subtract 8 on both sides, b's cancel, and you have 2x is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. We want to get x on its own to solve for it, so we divide both sides by 2, because then these 2's cancel. We get x is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So what is the value of x plus 4? Well, x is equal to 4, so we can plug in a 4 into this expression to get 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So that's the more straightforward method. You solve for x and you plug it back into the expression. The simpler way to do it, or the quicker way to do it, I wouldn't call it simpler, is you say, okay, we have this, 2x plus 8 is equal to 16. What happens if we divide this side by 2 and this side by 2? Well, we have 2x over 2, which is just x, plus 8 over 2 is plus 4, and this is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So what is the value of x plus 4? Well, we just found it, it's 8. Now this is a lot quicker, but it requires you to notice that x plus 4 times 2 gets you 2x plus 8. If you didn't see that, that's fine, you can just do it the normal way, it's just going to take you a little longer, but I wanted to show both ways. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.